Dear students, today we are going to start Unit 15, Probability. What do we mean by probability? What does probability means? Probability means chances of any event to occur. Like in our day-to-day life, everyday life, we come across statements such as it might be rain today or not. It will probably rain today. That means it can rain today, or it might be possible that the rain will not come today. Second, I'm doubtful whether I'll clear my test or not. Chances are high that the prices of diesel will go up. Means chances are high. We are not sure whether the prices will rise up or not. Means 50-50 chances are there. The price may rise up or it may fall down. I will clear the test or not. The rain probably will be there or not. So this is known as probably. Means probably, doubt, most probably, chances, etc. These words are known as probability. That means it might happen that the event may occur. Dear students, where do we use probability in our day-to-day life? We used to see the weather forecast in our mobiles, that whether it will rain today or not. And it is not sure that if they will tell us that it will rain today, it will definitely rain. It can happen, not sure. Probability has been extensively used in the fields of physical sciences, commerce, biological sciences, medical sciences, weather forecasting, in which there are 50-50 chances. Means equally likely chances. When there are 50-50 chances, we will call it as equally likely. So dear students, what is probability? The number of ways of achieving success. It is a measure of likelihood. Likelihood means equal chances are there. It might rain today, it might not rain today. Equal chances are there. Any prediction, that is just a prediction but not a sure event. Dear students, we denote probability by the capital P. Probability. PE denotes the probability of an event. Means if we are talking about the rain, then rain is the event. It might rain today. Probability of raining today. Probability of not raining today. So PNE denotes probability of not an event. Okay. Now dear students, very important thing which you have to remember is that probability, the value of this probability always lies between 0 and 1. Means the value of probability of any event does not exceed 1. 1 से बड़ी वैल्यू नहीं हो सकती. मीन्स या तो डिनोमिनेटर और न्यूमरेटर दोनों इक्वल होंगे. इफ दे आर इक्वल विल गेट 1 कैंसल आउट करके, लाइक 2/2 इज 1, और दे आर इक्वल टू 0 और लेस देन 1. 1 से बड़ी वैल्यू मीन्स न्यूमरेटर कैन नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन द डिनोमिनेटर in case of probability. Secondly, the formula. Probability of event plus not an event is always equal to 1. Means probability of raining today, if we'll calculate probability of raining today and plus probability of not raining today, then its sum will become 1. Then what is the formula? Formula of probability of an event is number of favorable outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. So dear students, these are some basic points which you have to remember while doing probability. Probability is just the certainty of an event, that it is not certain that the rain will come today. Like if we'll toss a coin, we have two faces of a coin. One is head and one is tail. If we toss, it is not sure that we will get only head. We can get head or we can have tail.